Okay, on today's episode, we're going to be working on the S10 again. We're going to get it washed, and I'm going to get that lip rolled over on the bed. And when I'm doing that, I'll probably strap a GoPro to my head so I can film it for you guys instead of trying to get my camera out there and get in real deep. But I'll show you guys real good when I'm done with the camera as well. So let's get started. We're going to start with washing it. Still got the bed up over there. Got my pressure washer out. Got my favorite degreaser, which is super clean. Love that stuff. And I'm going to go to town. Okay, got the pressure washing done. You can see all the dirt and junk on the concrete. I should have scrubbed it, but I didn't. Oh well, more to do later. You can see we got the top of the tank nice and cleaned off there. And we got the bottom of the bed over here. It looks fairly decent, besides all the damage that's on it. But other than that, now we just gotta let it dry and I'll push it back in the shop. can tell, I folded over the lip, so hopefully it won't cut any tires. I also folded over this inner lip, so that ought to be good. Over here you can see I didn't cut it as much, but it worked out just as well. Nice and folded over all the way down. Now this inner lip here on this side was giving me some fits, so later on I'm going to put the torch to it and bend it over that way. But for right now I'm going to go get some paint, cover up that raw metal I just exposed, and I think I'll call it quits for here. Alright, and unfortunately the only color of spray paint I have is Ford Racing Blue, so we'll have to fix that later. But that'll keep it from rusting, and we can go from there. Alright, this is where we're going to end the video. As you can see, we got that cleaned up. We got that lip folded over as best as I can for right now. And I'll catch you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.